Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Feats, and in this video I am going to show you how to get device token for push notification. Actually I am working on push notification series. I have done local notification, push notification, and this is my third video for get token for push notification. If you have not seen my earlier videos like local notification or push notification, then please you can watch and you can use this device token for push notification. So without any delay, let's open the push notification project. This is the project which I have developed for push notification, and I am giving some information about this. We have installed pod file for Firebase messaging and Firebase core, and as well as we have registered our project on Firebase, and here you can see. And one more thing, in cloud messaging we have registered APN authentication key with key ID and team ID, and for this you can use cloud messaging. And here let's take send your first message. Suppose your first message is hello guys, how are you. Next, select your bundle ID. Next, and scheduling. All these things I have covered in push notification video, so if you don't watch then please watch. Next, and review, publish. Let's take in our simulator. You can see the notification arrive, hello guys, how are you. So for this we need to get device token for this particular notification. So for this, so without any delay, let's start this. We have take a function did register for remote notification with device token, and we get data. For this particular data, we let's take a extension to convert that particular data into string. So let's take extension data, and let's take a variable hex string type, and let one more variable hex string map. And this syntax is very sensitive, so please write carefully. String format, and you can take as string percentage 02 dot 2 double h x and dollar 0 dot join, and return hex string. Right, now extension is done, and now we can take a function. After this function, did registration notification with device token. So let device token string equals to device token and hex string. Now we can print it, device token string. And guys, actually what is device token? Actually device token is a unique key for the app device combination which is issued by Apple or Google push notification gateway. It allows gateways and push notification provider to route the message and ensure the notification is delivered only the unique app device combination for which is intended. Overall of this, actually Apple push notification service, that means APN, must know the address of user device before it can send notification to that particular device, right? This address take the form of a device token unique to both device and your app. Actually, the app device token for one app cannot be used for another app even when both apps are installed on the same device. Both apps must request their own unique device token and forward it to your provider server. So let's build this project. And let's take a breakpoint for this and run it. And now we can print this device token. Now here you can see this is the device token actually, right? You can save it or use it for your web APIs for sending notification on your particular device. So here you can see, now in this video you can see how to get device token for push notification. And now this is very short video, and guys, if you have not seen push notification video, then you can go to my notification playlist where you can see local notification, push notification, and this video as well. And thank you so much guys for support me, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.